Sensei, and our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your premier online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be doing white belt games. So make sure you have your uniform on, your belt on, you have lots of room to play and work on your games and have fun, and you're ready to get started. Okay, before we get started with white belt games, it's really important that you be trained with at least white belts lesson number 1 through 5 first, or you're not gonna know what to do to be able to play the games. So if you haven't trained with those lessons yet, that would be white belt lesson 1 through 5. Go ahead and train with those lessons first, then come back and get ready to have some fun. The 3 games that we're gonna be playing today in white belt games are, number 1 is Sensei Says. Number 2, we're going to play the attention game. And number 3, we're going to play the focus game. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
All right, let's begin. Okay, well, the first game we're going to play today is Sensei Says. It's just like Simon says, don't do anything unless we say Sensei Says first. If you do, you have to be honest and sit out. You'll be out. Okay, we're going to see who wins. Now, we're going to see if you guys can beat my Cyber Sensei team and family behind me. Are you guys ready to play?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to play?
Yes, Sensei!
We're going to be doing your karate moves, playing Sensei Says. Here we go. All right, I'm going to move over here kind of out of the way. Everybody, starts right now. Sensei Says attention. Sensei Says bow courtesy. Good. Sensei Says right leg back in a guarding stance loud, yell, hiya!
Hiya!
Okay, make sure you yell loud or you're going to be out. Sensei Says front punch, hiya!
Hiya!
Now you guys got to yell loud out there, you guys are going to be out. Here we go. Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
You got to yell louder, I can't hear you guys louder. Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
You guys got to be loud in that, right? Front punch. Uh-oh, gotcha. Here we go, have a seat. Oh, sit right there for me, Leah. Here we go, right there. There you go, perfect, okay. Good, now if I got you out there, be honest and sit down. Okay, because I got you. We're going to see if you guys can beat my Cyber Sensei family over here. Here we go. Ready, super fast, ready, front punch, hiya. Good, all right. Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
Louder, Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
Here we go, Sensei Says front kick, loud yell, hiya.
Hiya!
Make sure you fold and refold that leg. Sensei Says front kick.
Hiya!
You gotta kick higher than that. Ready? Front kick. Oh, come on, Jay. Almost got you over there. Here we go. Ready? Sensei Says back punch.
Hiya!
Louder. Ready? Back punch. Come on, Jay. I saw you moving over there. I know you want to. Here we go. Ready? Front punch. Slide you. Hiya. Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
Sensei Says step slide front punch.
Hiya!
Gotta move over to that side. Sensei Says step slide front punch.
Hiya!
Gotta be faster. Ready? Step slide front punch. Uh-oh. Gotcha. Alexia's the champion. Everybody clap for Alexia. Woo! All right, way to go, girl. Nice job. Alexia's the champion. All right. Now, if you beat everybody and you tied with Alexia, make sure you put in the comments that you guys tied with her. And if you beat somebody, I want to know who you beat. If you beat Jay over there, or Cole, or Tristan, or Leah, I want to hear in the comments that you beat them. Okay, let's play it again. You guys ready to play again?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to play again?
Yes,
I'm
Sensei!
gonna make it a little tougher this time. Here we go. Ready, get ready. Sensei Says attention. Sensei Says bow courtesy. Make sure you bow all the way. Sensei Says right leg back guarding stance slide your hiya.
Hiya!
Ready, Sensei Says front punch slide your hiya.
Hiya!
Ready, Sensei Says step side front punch slide your hiya.
Hiya!
Sensei Says step side front punch.
Hiya!
You gotta be faster. Ready, step side front punch. Oh, good. If I got you, you guys sit down. Here we go. Ready, front kick loud your hiya. Jay over there.
No!
All right. Jay, we got you. Sorry, buddy. Okay. If you guys beat Jay over there, I want to know in the comments that you beat Jay. I want to hear about it. Here we go. All right, ready? Front punch, slide your hiya. Sensei Says front punch, slide your hiya. All right, hustle back. Let's try it again. Here we go. Oh, we got it over there. All right, here we go. Join the team. Join the J team over there. Here we go. All right, now if you beat Leah, I want to hear it in the comments. Here we go. Ready, front kick, loud, hiya. Sensei Says front kick.
Hiya!
Sensei Says step slide, front kick.
Hiya!
Front punch, slide your hiya. Sensei Says front punch, slide your hiya.
Hiya!
Louder, front punch, hiya. Oh, I got a goal over there. All right, let's hustle back. Let's try it again. Hustle back. Let's do it again. Here we go. Oh, good. I thought I was going to get you. If I checked you, make sure you're honest over there. Here we go. Ready? Front punch, slide your hiya. Sensei Says front punch.
Hiya!
Louder, front punch. Ooh, I thought I was going to get you. Here we go. Ready? Front kick, slide your hiya. Oh, Tristan's moving over there. Not quite. Okay. He had a little wiggle on his foot over there. I thought for sure I got him. All right, here we go. Ready? Front kick, slide your hiya. Sensei says front kick, loud, hiya.
Hiya.
All right, Sensei says hustle back. Let's try it again. All right, here we go. Sensei says 5 jumping jacks. Sensei says go.
1 Sensei, 2 Sensei.
You guys got to count them out loud. I want to hear you count them loud. You guys didn't count louder. 5 more, ready, go. Oh, I thought I was going to get you. Here we go. Sensei says 10 jumping jacks. Sensei says go.
1 Sensei.
Okay, wait, stop. Oh! I got him. And if I got you guys 2 out there, make sure you're honest. All right. Sensei won. Oh yeah. Sensei won. All right, here we go. You guys like my band? All right. Good job. Everybody give yourselves a big hand. Great job with Sensei Says. Okay, game number 2 is called the attention game, and what this game does is it helps you work on actually going to attention and working on your focus as well. So when we're at attention, make sure your toes are connected together and your hands at your side. If your feet are apart, that would not be attention, all right? So you make sure your toes are connected, your heels are connected. If your feet are connected, your toes and heels, but your hands aren't to the side all the way straight, that also would not be attention. So attention is connect your toes and your feet. Here we go, all the way together. Hands directly at your side, standing up nice and tall. That's going to be attention. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run in a circle, all the way around in circles. And when I say attention, the last person to go to attention, you're out. So you guys got to focus on the team over here and make sure that they don't beat you. All right, are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to play out there?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, make sure that you have lots of room to run around over there, that you're not going to run into any furniture or anything like that, okay? Don't slip and fall and get hurt. Here we go. Get ready. We're going to run in a circle. Get ready to run. Ready, run. Run in a circle all the way around. Good. Here we go. Run that circle. All right, ready, and attention. All right, now look down at your toes. Make sure your toes are connected. All right, hands at your side. If you're moving, if you're flipping your belt, or you're spinning, you would be out. All right, so don't let me get you out. Here we go. Ready, run. Run that circle. Make your circle bigger, okay? Don't run into anything. Okay, ready, attention. All right, you'll be wiggling those toes over there. All right, this one's for real that time. That was practice. Okay, this time is for real. Get ready. If I get you, be honest. Okay, super fast. Ready, run. Okay, attention. Oh, Timber. Oh, let's see. We got you. All right. Oh, and Leah's out. Okay, you guys just have a seat right in the middle over there. Have a seat right in the middle. Now, if I got you out over there, be honest. Make sure you sit down. If I got you, be honest. Here we go. Now, if you beat these guys, I want to know in the comments. Write in the comments. Say, hey, I beat Alexia, or I beat Leah over there. Here we go. Get ready to run. Ready, run. Freeze.
Oh, dang it.
What happened? Tristan, are you cold? I said freeze. He must be cold or something. He's freezing over there. All right, ready, stop. What are you stopping for over there? Okay, attention. I got Jay over there. All right. Now, if you guys beat Jay, I want to hear in the comments that you beat Jay over there. Sorry, Jay. We got
I tried.
You did pretty good over there. You know who's left are boys. Boys rule over there. Oh, man. Boys rule. All right, who's going to win? Ready, run. Is it going to be Tristan or Cole? Ready, freeze. What are you freezing for? Tristan must be Cole. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Red light, green light. Ready, stop. I'm not playing red light, green light, Cole. Come on, here we go. Ready, attention. Oh, Timber! I'm Tristan. Cole's the winner. Big clap for Cole. Give Cole a big hand. Good job, Cole. All right. Now, if you tie with Cole, I want to hear in the comments. Make sure you put in the comments that you tied with Cole. And if you beat somebody out here, I want to hear about it too. All right, you guys ready to play again? Everybody give me yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei!
All right, let's do it one more time. Get ready and run. Freeze! Oh, you must be cold over there, Tristan. He's still freezing over there. Ready, attention. Sorry, Jay, we got you, buddy. We got you, Jay. Sorry, buddy. Here you go.
World's got to stop spinning.
Have a seat in the middle over there. All right. All right, sorry, Jay. Ready, run. 1, 2, 3, ready, stop. Ready, attention. Oh, you got, we got a Cole over there. Hey, if you fell down, you did a Timber. I want you guys to be honest. Make sure you're sitting down. All right. Ready, run. Make a bit circle bigger. Your circle's too small. Make it bigger. Here we go. Bigger. Okay. Red light, green light. 1, 2, 3, stop. Oh, good. Ready, attention. Whoa, that was pretty good. Now there's 2 girls left and 1 boy. So what does that mean? Girls rule. Girls rule this time. Oh man, girls must rule. Ready, run. Freeze. What are you freezing for, Alexia? Alexia, are you cold?
So cold.
Is that why you're freezing over there? Ready, 1, 2, 3, stop. Ready, attention. Oh, I got Lee out there, okay. One boy, one girl left. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna rule? Is it boys are gonna rule or girls are gonna rule? Alright, if you think girls are gonna rule, put in the comments that girls rule. If you think boys are gonna rule, put in the comments that boys rule. Alright, are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Run faster, you guys are too slow.
Tristan!
My mom is like in a walker and she goes faster than me.
I know, man.
Right, seriously, right, freeze! Ready, catch it!
No!
I got him both! That means that the Cyber Sensei is the winner. Cyber Sensei is the winner. Alright, good job guys. Next, what we're going to do is play a game that's called the focus game. And to win this game, you really are going to have to focus. It's kind of like red light, green light. Alright, here we go. I'm going to have you guys go all the way back to the end. All the way to the end for me.
Yes,
Yes,
Alright, I'm
Sensei!
going to ask you guys to do your karate moves. It could be a front punch or a front kick or a step slide. Now what happens if you do the wrong one, you have to go back and start over. You're not actually out, you just have to go back and start over. Now what happens is we have this blue line right here, and the first person to get to this blue line right here wins. Now what happens if you make a boo-boo or a mistake, you're not necessarily out, you just got to go back and start over. It's just like red light, green light, except for with karate. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
So if you don't have a line or something, go ahead and put something on the floor, probably maybe about 10 feet away from where you're standing, so that you guys have a marker what to get to, all right? And the first person to get to that line is going to win. Could be you, it could be my Cyber Sensei family over there. All right, you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Right now, everybody show me attention. Bow courtesy, put your right leg back in the guardian stance, loud jahaya. Now again, if you make a boo-boo, you got to go back and start over. You're not necessarily out. Here we go, show me front punch, loud jahaya. All right, now if you don't yell loud too, I'm going to call you out. So hey, if you don't yell loud, I'm going to call you out in there. Here we go, Johnny. Hey, Beth, here we go. Cole! No, not that Cole. This Cole over here. Here we go. I want to hear you guys yelling out there. Here we go. Ready? Front punch. Loud. Jahaya. Louder. Ready? Front punch. Ready? Step side. Front punch. Front punch. Front punch. All right. Make sure the knuckles are on the top. If the knuckles aren't on top, you're going to be out. I'm going to call you out. Here we go. Ready? Front punch. Front punch. Ready? Back punch. All right. Make sure you twist. If you didn't twist, then I'm going to call you out and make you go back to the beginning. Here we go. Ready? Front punch. Front punch. Back punch. Good. Make sure you're louder. Ready? Back punch. Front kick. Step side front kick. Higher. Ready? Front kick. Sorry, Alexi. I gotta go all the way back. Start over again. Here we go. Guards up. Get ready. Super loud. Ready? Front kick. Loud. Jahaya. Ready? Back kick. Loud. Jahaya. And Tristan and Cole. They are the winners. Every clap for Tristan and Cole. Good job. Boys rule this time. All right, let's try again. Are you guys ready to play again? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei!
It's gonna get a little harder. You're gonna have to really focus. I'm gonna get you guys out. Here we go. Ready? Show me attention. Bow courtesy. Right leg back in the guardian says loud jahaya. Here we go. Show me front punch. Loud jahaya. Oh, that was a step side. See you later. You gotta go back, start over. Oh, you're already there. All right, here we go. Ready? Front punch. Front punch. Front punch. Front punch. Front punch. Back punch. Back punch, back punch, back punch, front punch. Good. Front kick, front kick, front kick, front punch, back punch. Got you. You guys are out. Sorry, you guys start over. Oh wait, you're already there. All right, so if I got you guys start over, but you're probably already in the same spot. All right, here we go. I know, I'm just teasing. Here we go. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys focused now? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei!
All right, step slide, front punch, slide your hat. Oh, that was a good front kick, front kick. See you later. It was a step slide, front punch. See you later. Here you go. You gotta start over. You're not out. Just gotta start over again. Here we go. Ready, step slide, front kick, loud your hat. That was a jump. See you later. Bye-bye. A step slide doesn't look like that. If you cheated, you're out, so don't cheat over there. Okay, make sure you guys do a step slide, not a jump. Here we go. Ready? Front kick, front kick, front kick, front punch. Go. There's a little twist. You did a twist on that front punch. See you later, alligator. Here we go. All right, ready? Front kick, front kick, front kick, back punch, front kick. All right, right. Step side front kick. All right, and Cole winning. Clap for Cole. He's the winner. All right. All right. now we're gonna play one more game and we're gonna let these guys choose what game that's gonna be. All right, we're gonna play a game one more time. Which game do you guys want to play? Every time.
Attention.
Aw, Disney.
All right, it sounds like we're gonna be playing the attention game by popular demand. Get ready, make sure that furniture's out of the way. We're gonna play the attention game one more time because I think they want to get Jay out. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready? All right, Jay's like, bring it on. All right, here we go. Get ready and run. Run fast. Go quick. Like I said, my mom, she like walks in the walker. She goes faster than this. Okay, freeze.
Oh my God.
Okay, guys, some of the girls in there better run faster. Ready? Attention. Oh, you tied. Ready? Run. Attention. Oh, we got Leah out there. All right, Leah's in the center. If I got you, be honest and sit down. Okay, here we go. Ready? Run. Stop. Ready? Ice cream. Alligators. Crocodiles. Attention. Oh! Tristan did a timber. Sorry, Tristan, we got you. If you beat Tristan in the comments, put it in there. I beat Tristan. All right, ready? Run. Red light, green light. When did he stop? Ready? Freeze. Are you cold, Alexia? Alexia must be cold. She just froze. Here we go. Ready? Attention. All right, you guys tied it up. Ready, run. Who's going to win? Boys or girls? Attention.
Girls.
Uh-oh. Bye, Alexia. Ah, boys rule. Boys rule. All right, ready, run. Who's going to win? I think Jay's going to win this one. Ready, freeze. Jay's cold over there. He just did a freeze over there. Ready, attention. Ready, run. Attention. Run. Freeze. Ready, stop. Attention. Oh, we got Jay over there. Sorry, Jay. All right, in the comments, if you beat Jay, I want to know if you beat Jay, especially if you're like 4 or 5 years old. I want in the comments to be like, aha, I beat Jay. No, I'm just kidding. Here we go. All right. Everybody clap for Cole. Give Cole a big hand. Good job, Cole. All right. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video, White Belt Games, and we can't wait to see you on the next lesson. Now that this video is over, here's what to do next. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and do that now, as it'll give you access to all our videos in order from white belt all the way up to black belt. And please, please, please take this video and share it. On the YouTube channel, there's a little button right below the video, and click on share. And what that does is it'll share it to your Facebook channel, because everyone in the world could use a little bit of free martial arts right in the comfort of their own living room. Also, if you can do us a favor and click on that like button, because what that does is it tells us that you enjoy our videos and that we're doing a good job. If you can do us another favor and click on the notifications button, what that'll do is every time we upload a new video like Gold Belt Games or another video, what happens, you get a notification letting you know that we just upload another video so you guys can go and train and have fun. If you haven't gone to tryfreekarate.com yet, go ahead and go to tryfreekarate.com and it'll show you exactly what you need to do to be certified in every single belt level, including your black belt. And last but not least, at the very end of this video, there's another link that you guys can click on that will take you right to the next lesson. Remember that a black belt is a white belt that never quit. Are you guys ready to bow out?
Yes,
Show me class attention. Good bow courtesy. Give me one clap. Everybody say, Sensei Says.